It is beautiful outside, and I've been making dust trails with this fucking thing. As you can see, the tire is a little dusty, and I've been making dust trails all the way up this. I would go up here. I'd do a little drift, make dust trails, and then I'll come back and do little dust trails and stuff. Oh my god! So this thing is kind of easy to start up. You just gotta turn on the gas. We'll switch it on and then pull this thing right here. So, give me a second. Oh shit. I don't even think you guys can see. I'm gonna put this right here. Let's get this going. Oh, give me a second. Okay, we're ready. chain fell off. I knew at some point this thing was gonna fuck up like that. I didn't think the chain would fall off the thing. What the fuck? Guys, what the fuck does that? What the fuck? Bro, what the fuck? What the? I was doing too many drifts and the thing went fucking. I had to fucking shut this thing down. I had to shut it down. It was like this. This motherfucker fell off, and I was like, oh, hell no. I'll turn this shit off. Oh my god. The chain fucking fell off that thing. So how? I told you something bad. I knew something bad was gonna happen. Like the chain fell off of that, or the chain would fall off of the clutch. Oh fuck! State Farm. Holy shit! Well, this thing is oh damn. Ooh, that does not sound right. Wait, where's this? So, okay. You got this thing right here, where, if you look at it, it heads down to right around here. So, this right here, if you look closely, this right here goes down to here. This area right here. I don't want to touch it because it might be hot from all the riding and stuff I was doing. Yeah, this is a 97cc. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Anyway, check for fuel overflow or leaking. Turn off engine before refueling. Got that. You know what I think about this thing? Wait, you see that? You see that? Kickstand's fucking annoying. Well, hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. See you later.